see that. Whoops. Probably not with my bad photography. However, get my finger in there. There's the Golan, the clouds above it, and the sun is just coming up out of the clouds. See if I can pull it in. There you go. You see the landline, I think. We're out here this morning on the third Sabbath of 7, counting the immutable promise of our Father, and we're looking at the wheat to see the condition of it. So I thought I would do this from the field today. Of course, there'll be another meme for your count, but this is going to be an in-the-field check. We'll post some photos in between this video. What I'm hoping to see today is that the wheat is taking on a presentation of some black stripes in the body of the plant, because when you read the scripture, and of course this is a growing and a learning process for me because I didn't grow up under understanding the law from living on the land, so you have to kind of grow and learn in it. But what I should expect to see today is that the wheat's taking on some black. Why? Because when Shavuot gets here, we're to present a finished leavened loaf. And actually, the scripture says that they were to bring it out of their houses. So how would the Israelites corporately have brought 2 leavened loaves out of their houses? Well, first of all, there had to have been multiple locations that had the wheat in a black presentation. That's the first thing. And secondly, that scripture about bringing the first of your dough to the temple, that is where the leavened loaf would have come from. If the bread of first fruits had to come from the houses of the people, then they were bringing dough, and they were bringing a first dough portion. And that's why in Corinthians it says we're part of the bread when we partake of the body of that bread. I'm paraphrasing it terribly. When we partake of the body of that bread, and then we are all one in that bread. So that's what I am looking for, just so you know, is I'm looking for a lot of black wheat. And that has been, honestly, something that has taken me quite a while to truly realize that we just aren't looking for just the first fruits of wheat. The wheat has to be more than just first fruits. It has to be several first fruits from different fields to make up that bread. Okay, yeah, I'm seeing some growing black on this wheat. You see that black coming in? Let's look some more. Of course, this is not about cherry picking because we need quite a bit of this to be black. It would definitely be from someone's early part of their field, just like with the barley. But we need quite a bit of it to make a dough offering. Let's see if we see some more black here. You know, overall, you can't really see unless I just do this, but there are little black flecks coming in the wheat. See the brown? That will turn black. You see that? You see the black? I'm going to go check another location for you as well, but we're where I expect us to be. I'll check another location. Okay guys, made it back to the car. There's the sun on up above the Galilee and the Golan. Shabbat Shalom. a very happy and blessed third Shabbat of 7, counting towards the immutable promise of Elohim when we regained everything Adam lost. Sons of God, priests, royal generation, brothers, adopted, calling him Abba. All those things were restored to us on Shavuot.